Top 5 Best Reusable Food Wraps 2025.
Number 5.
Reusable food wraps in 2025, eco-friendly freshness for every kitchen. In 2025, the shift towards sustainability in the kitchen has never been stronger, and reusable food wraps are at the heart of that movement. Designed to replace single-use plastic wraps, aluminum foil, and plastic bags, these wraps are both eco-conscious and highly functional. Whether you're storing leftover vegetables, wrapping a sandwich,
Number 4.
or covering a bowl of fruit, reusable food wraps offer an airtight yet breathable seal that keeps your food fresher for longer, all without creating plastic waste. It's a modern solution to an age-old problem: how to store food without harming the planet. Leaf and wind. What are reusable food wraps? Reusable food wraps are made from natural, sustainable materials, like organic cotton infused with
Number 3.
beeswax, tree resin, and jojoba oil. Some vegan versions use plant-based waxes instead of beeswax. These wraps mold to the shape of your food or container using the warmth of your hands, creating a flexible seal that keeps food fresh without suffocating it. Herb key features: checkmark eco-friendly and zero waste. One wrap can replace hundreds of rolls of plastic wrap, helping to
Number 2.
reduce household waste and protect the environment. Checkmark breathable and antibacterial. The beeswax and natural oils have antibacterial properties, allowing food to breathe and stay fresh longer without drying out or becoming soggy. Checkmark reusable and washable. Simply wash your wraps with cool water and mild soap, air dry, and reuse them for up to a year or more, depending on use.
Number 1.
Checkmark moldable and flexible. Easily wraps around containers, fruits, sandwiches, cheese, bread, herbs, and more. Can also be folded into snack pouches. Checkmark stylish and functional. Available in vibrant patterns, modern colors, and multiple sizes to suit every kitchen and storage need. Strawberry: how to use reusable food wraps. Use the warmth of your hands